Imagine stepping into a room that feels like a warm embrace, instantly lifting your spirits and making you feel at peace. What if just changing the color of your walls could do all that and more? You might be surprised, but the color of your home can have a profound effect on your mood, productivity, and even your overall well-being. Studies have shown that specific colors can positively influence mental states. Some shades are known to reduce stress, others to enhance focus, and some even to bring a sense of calm that feels almost magical. Think about it. Just a coat of paint, and suddenly your home is a sanctuary. Here's why the right color could be a game changer in ways you never expected. 1. The psychology of color. What each hue can do. Each color taps into different aspects of human psychology. Soft blues and greens, for example, create a serene, tranquil vibe, ideal for bedrooms or reading spaces where relaxation is key. Yellows and oranges bring energy and vibrancy, perfect for kitchens or areas where you socialize. Neutrals, on the other hand, can make spaces look larger, clearer, and more welcoming. 2. The magic color of 2024, warm neutrals with a twist. Experts are calling warm neutrals with earthy undertones like soft clay or sandy blush the magic colors of 2024. These hues are subtly lively and adaptable, bringing warmth and brightness without being too overpowering. This range of colors combines the calming effect of earthy tones with a touch of energy, making your home feel cozy yet alive. 3. More than a fresh coat, the transformative power of change. A color makeover doesn't just transform your home, it transforms your mindset. Shifts in your surroundings create a fresh mental perspective and may inspire creativity, calm, and a stronger sense of contentment. So, pick up that paintbrush, choose a shade that resonates with you, and watch as the magic unfolds. It's not just a color, it's a lifestyle upgrade, better than magic, right within your reach. Colors for specific purposes, crafting the perfect ambiance. Imagine having a home where each room serves a specific purpose and the colors reflect that. Here's a deeper look at how colors can enhance the purpose of each room. Living room. For spaces where you entertain or relax, try shades like calming sage green or warm taupe. These colors create a balanced ambiance, grounding the room while remaining open and inviting. Bedroom. If you want to improve sleep and relaxation, lean towards gentle blues, soft lilacs, or muted greens. These colors naturally lower heart rate and can even help decrease stress levels, making it easier to wind down after a long day. Home office. Need focus and drive. Bold yet not overwhelming colors like charcoal gray, rich teal, or muted mustard are energizing without being distracting. These shades can improve concentration and set the right tone for productivity. 5. Personalizing your space. Choosing colors based on your personality. Believe it or not, your color choice reflects your personality and affects your personal energy. For the calm and collected, earthy tones such as soft browns, greens, and creams enhance an already relaxed vibe and encourage grounding, perfect for introverts or those who crave peace. For the creative and adventurous, if you thrive on inspiration, try bolder colors like a warm terracotta, deep navy, or even a pop of sunflower yellow on an accent wall. These colors spark creativity, ignite passion, and can help get those innovative juices flowing. For the focused and driven, subdued, sophisticated hues like charcoal gray, deep forest green, or mocha create a productive, no-nonsense atmosphere that keeps distractions at bay. 6. Natural light and color selection. Working with what you have. Another often overlooked factor is natural lighting. Natural light changes how a color appears throughout the day, so it's important to choose a shade that complements the natural light in each room. Rooms with abundant natural light. For bright rooms, cooler tones like soft blues, light grays, and neutral beiges add balance without overwhelming the space. Rooms with little natural light. Warmer colors, rich beige, soft gold, or warm clay, add a touch of brightness that creates a cozier feel. These colors offset any lack of natural light and can make a dark room feel more inviting and alive. 7. The transformative effects on health and well-being. Color can be a simple yet powerful way to enhance mental and even physical well-being. Reducing anxiety. Research shows that pale blues and greens reduce heart rates and bring down stress levels. By using these colors in spaces where you unwind, like the bedroom or bathroom, you create an immediate sense of relaxation. Boosting happiness. Warm tones like yellows, oranges, and soft pinks boost serotonin levels, the happy hormone, which can improve mood. These colors can be added to places like the kitchen or dining room where family and friends gather. Increasing energy. If you struggle with energy in the mornings, consider adding vibrant shades like sunshine yellow or energizing coral to your bathroom or home gym. These colors spark motivation and set a positive tone for the day. 8. Small touches, making an impact. With accent colors. Not ready to repaint an entire room? Small touches can also create big effects. Here are some easy ways to add color without a full overhaul. Accent. Walls. A single accent wall in a bold color can create depth and visual interest without overwhelming the space. Furniture and decor. If you want to experiment, try adding colorful pillows, throws, or even a statement piece of furniture in a complementary shade to see how the color feels. Doors and trim. Painting doors or window trim in contrasting colors can make rooms look more dynamic. This works especially well with colors like navy, charcoal, or rich terracotta for an unexpected pop. 9. Trends versus timeless. Choosing a color you'll love for years. It's tempting to follow the latest color trends, but when it comes to choosing colors for your home, think about longevity and timeless appeal. Neutral foundations. Neutrals like creamy whites, light taupes, or gentle grays are timeless and give flexibility to add seasonal colors in decor. Classic color accents, deep navy, forest green, and warm blush tones are both timeless and adaptable, perfect for maintaining a sense of modernity without looking outdated in a few years. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and feel inspired to transform your space with the power of color, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who might love these tips too. Changing the colors around us can truly change how we feel every single day. And remember, even a small splash of color can make a big difference, whether it's creating a calm retreat, a creative corner, or a room that simply feels like home. Don't miss out on more tips to make your living space your sanctuary. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when new videos drop. I'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and let me know which colors inspire you, or if you've got a color transformation story of your own to share. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and make every space in your life a place you love. See you soon.